Welcome back to the Excel 2016 training. In this video, we will explore templates. We have already looked at templates in the beginning of the course. So in this video, it's a very quick 1 to 2 minute review of templates. And in the next video, we will look at how we can create templates. And the next thing is, in the previous video, we have looked at the template extension, and you see instead of XLS, you'll see XLT. T stands for template. So now that we understand the file extensions a little bit, let's go to File and do New, and you have a lot of templates available for you. These are coming directly from Microsoft.com. And definitely you need internet connection for you to access these templates. I mean, if you have already downloaded some of the templates, then those will be available for you offline. But in order for you to search and get the latest and the greatest, you really need to have internet connection. So let me just click here, Daybook. I'll just double click on it. So it just downloaded the template to my local system and opened it for me. Now, if I do File, Save, what's really happening here is it is going to save it as, let me save it to my desktop. The extension is XLSX. Let me save it. You can see the name here. So this is my Excel. Now, what we did was we downloaded the template and used the template to create a copy for us. Here is the Excel, and here is the actual document on the desktop. That's it in this video. Kind of showed you how you can get a template from Microsoft, download it, and create a copy for yourself. In the next video, I will show you how we can actually create a template for yourself. Maybe you can create from scratch, or you can actually get a copy of some template and modify it to fit your needs, and then save it as a template so that you can use it for other projects. Okay, well, that's it in this video. See you in the next.